We are in Puerto, Balandra, and we're just gonna enjoy an afternoon on the water, checking out some of the interesting rock formations here. Looks like that thing could go down at any moment. Guess Liz is gonna tempt fate here of Ongo Rock. Water is very shallow here. You can clearly see the bottom. It's actually refreshingly cool with the hot sun out here. So this is why we came. If anyone comes and visit us in the next few months, we'll take you here. Interesting cactus growing out of the rock there. Alright, we found some fish. See if I can get a shot of them. It's our little sand beach. As of the moment, this is our own little private beachfront property. Very pretty, very quiet. We're going to chase down that hot girl in the red kayak. So this is the back bay of Puerto Balandra. A lot of mango trees. Vita sitting at anchor, looking at her good side. Just pulling up to get out the kayak. Also sharing this part of the anchorage with us is Sea Witch and Wind Charmer. Sea Witch is on the left, but with the green. Wind Charmer is off in the distance. We've traveled with those guys for the last couple anchorages. Boating a little. Nice people, both of them, both couples. Very nice.
Do that.
I can't do that.